This morning I'm in Strath Fillan on a beautiful Sunday morning. It's about 9 o'clock and I'm going to be heading up to climb a mountain in Munro called Beinn Challuim. It's 1,025 metres high and hoping for a really good day. I think the weather looks like it's going to be good, so let's see what Beinn Chaluim's got to offer. Okay, see you in a bit. I'm taking a breather, so I just thought I'd give you a wee update on where we are. I'm probably just like a quarter of the way up. At the moment I still can't see the south top of Beinn Chaluim. We've still got all that way to go, and then it's a cut across to the north where the actual summit is, so we've still got a good way to go yet. But I just wanted to share this view with you because it's just absolutely stunning here today. Absolutely stunning. And that's one of my favourite mountains over there, which I'm going to put on my to-do list for this year, which is Beinn Lochay. But I really want to go up there when it's not snowing because there's some good scrambling up there, so yeah, I really want to experience Beinn Lochay. But if I turn up this way, you'll see that we've still got all that way up to go, but yeah, I can't even see the south face yet, so we've got a good few hours still ahead. But let's crack on. But yeah, just for one last time, let's just enjoy this view, eh? Oh, well, the summit, or the south summit, is almost in sight, which is up there. But I'm just taking a breather just to breathe in this view. It's just spectacular, and it's reminded me of that scene in The Great Escape with Steve McQueen when he was trying to cross the fence on his Triumph motorbike. I've not got a Triumph motorbike, so but yeah, could definitely be forgiven for thinking that we were somewhere in the Swiss Alps or the Austrian Alps. But yeah, I think it was, oddly enough, that scene was filmed in a wee town in Germany called Füssen, and I think a lot of folks still go back there and pay the wee homage to where that scene was filmed. But today I've got the next best thing. It's just a Scottish recreation of it. So yeah, time to crack on. Let's go. Well, progress report. We're nearly at the top. It's been quite busy here today. As you can imagine, the good weather's brought out loads of folk, so I think we might even see a cloud inversion, but listen, see if it happens, it's great, but see if it doesn't. I have had some spectacular views here today so far, so this has been phenomenal, and we've got about that much further to go until the south summit, and then it's a ridge walk to the north summit, and the actual summit of Beinn Challuim will be there waiting for us, so let's go. This is me, folks, just reaching the cairn, summit marker cairn for the south peak, but north peak is still a ridge walk and a way over that way, so let's just take in the view for a second and then let's just keep going. So, I'm in the home stretch, folks. I am on the last part of the ridge walk from the south peak to the north peak, which is just up there, so we don't have too far to go. To the east and the west of me are two quarries, and I think possibly this one is Beinn Challuim, possibly. This other one I can't pronounce it. I'll look again on the map when I get home, but we're in the home stretch, so my legs are beginning to feel this one a bit. The lactic acid's just a bit relentless at this point, but yeah, absolutely stunning day. I get so many good bits of, so many good views and so many good photographs, so I'm really happy. And I'm just about, fingers crossed, to bag Munro number 8, so let's press on. I'm in the last couple of 100 feet to get to the top. It's been a bit of a slog, but I've actually been spending more time chatting to folk on the way down, and everybody's just unanimous about how amazing this view is today. So yeah, a good day to be alive, people. A good day to be alive. Wow, stunning. Right, let's crack on. Hey, I can see the top. Well, here we are, guys, the top of Beinn Challuim, and it's just been incredible. The views and the cloud inversion and just everything's just been, it's just the most perfect day. I just couldn't have asked for a better one. And the view, just when I was coming up that last little bit there, straight across to the back there's Ben Nevis, the one right at the back, and it was so amazing just and so uplifting just to see that mountain, because that was the one that kind of kicked it all off for me. This appreciation of getting out and climbing all these beautiful mountains that I have right on my doorstep. So yeah, time to head back down now. A couple hours of daylight left, but I hope you've enjoyed watching Beinn Challuim, and you'll maybe put it in your diary if you haven't already to come and see this mountain. If there's anything else interesting on the way back down, I'll film it, but I'm just going to sign out for now and say cheerio, okay? Bye bye.